Is your database connection slow or constantly hitting limits? In this year, the way we connect Prisma to Supabase has evolved. Gone are the days of manual PG bouncer setups. Today, I'm showing you the 2URL method to link your Prisma 7 project to Supabase with built-in pooling and lightning-fast migrations. Let's get your schema synced. And first, head to your Supabase dashboard, right here, and click the Connect button in the navigation. Then under ORM tab, select Prisma, and you'll see two URLs here. The transaction URL port 6543 is for your application. Copy that into your .env as database_URL. And the session URL port 5432 is for your migrations. Copy that as direct_URL. And if you're on a serverless plan, make sure to append your PG bouncer to true to your database URL to avoid prepared statements errors. It's a 5-second fix that saves you hours of debugging. And after that, let's talk about Prisma. You open up schema.prisma file, update your data source DB block to include both URL and direct URL. Also the pro tip, use the new Prisma Accelerate extension if you're deploying on Vercel or Edge functions. And just run your npx prisma and generate, and your client is now globally optimized. Then, finally, you run npx prisma db push to blast your local schema straight into Supabase. Your tables are now live, protected by RLS, and ready for data. You're now running on the most powerful AI-ready stack available. If this dev guide assisted you to ship today, give the like button a fan tap and subscribe.